Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Eurotunnel app not working. So let's get started. So here I will just search for the Eurotunnel app. Okay. So here we can see I will directly search for here as Eurotunnel. Okay. With Google at here you can see Eurotunnel app. Okay. So here we can see the app. Let's say as is lastly. If it's not work, you can work it. So if you like open it, so here I can see it's not available in my country, that's why I can't open it. But to fix it, you can directly uninstall the app and install it again, the first step. And the second thing you can do, you can update the app. Okay, so you can check for the update. If it's been updated, then it's fine. If it's not, you can update it from Google Play Store or Apple Store. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.